How to add auto color correction in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open your project in DaVinci Resolve and go to the color workspace by clicking the color tab at the bottom of the screen. This is where all your color grading tools are located. Next, select the clip you want to correct from the timeline. Once it's selected, look at the bottom left of the screen for the color wheels panel. Make sure the clip is active so you can apply the changes. Now, on your keyboard, press Alt plus Shift plus C or go to the top menu and click on Color, then select Auto Color from the drop-down. DaVinci Resolve will automatically analyze your clip and apply basic corrections like contrast, saturation, and exposure. It's a quick fix for clips that need fast adjustment. After that, if you want more control, you can tweak the settings manually from the same panel to fine-tune the look. The auto color feature gives you a strong starting point without needing deep color grading skills. Finally, don't forget to play back your clip to see how it looks, and if you are satisfied, you are all set to export or continue editing. And that's it. Now you know how to add auto color correction in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.